Social media is where your customers are every day. But keeping up with it is a full-time job. Posting random updates or boosting posts from time to time will not get you the results you need. That's where we can help. We're here to make social media easy and effective for your business. From creating engaging posts to running targeted ads that actually bring in customers, we handle it all. First, we learn about your business and what makes it unique. Then, we design a customized plan to help you grow your audience and get noticed. Whether it's posting eye-catching content, responding to customers, or running paid ads to reach more people, we take care of everything. All you have to do is sit back and watch your business grow. We'll also give you easy-to-understand reports that show how your social media is performing, so you'll know exactly what's working. Take the stress out of social media. Let us help you grow your business and connect with more customers. Contact us today to get started.